get to the bottom, put that hole in, do that finishing work. So, we talk about long tool holders, consider REGO-FIX and our XL program.
Welcome back, friends. I just want to tell you that REGO-FIX not only offer us great products, they are also working in development new concept. So David, we have here a new concept you're working on, right?
It is.
Can you explain it to me a little bit? Like, what is this?
Absolutely. So REGO-FIX is known for powRgrip as it is, and we've had powRgrip out for years, but we've been limited to the 1-inch diameter tool size. Now, going from 0.2 millimeters up to 1 inch is a pretty good tooling offering, but a lot of our customers want to go to larger sizes. They want to go up to that 1.5 inch or that 40 millimeter option range for their large parts of their machining.
Yeah.
So they've been pushing us for years to come up with something, and well, this is what we're working on. This is called PG48. It is a powRgrip based tooling system, and it goes up to that 1.5 inch, that 40 millimeter maximum size. So
yeah, it looks huge.
It is very, very big, and because of its size and we know its application, we just designed it to automatically be secuRgrip right off the bat.
Okay.
And secuRgrip is our anti-pull-out system, and that's what you see this nut on the top of that board. But it's something brand new. We have a couple different options here on display, and when you think about holding a tool like this when you're machining, you need something with good clamping force, good TIR, and good vibration dampening. So we're taking all the best benefits of powRgrip and moving it into a much larger size.
Like, for what kind of industries do we need a larger size like this one?
Oh, absolutely. The biggest one that we are seeing the need for this for is aerospace and also space itself. So lots of applications for the tough to cut materials. That's where this comes in.
It's like a product for a very specific industry, right? Like
it can be used anywhere, but the biggest application we are seeing really is aerospace and space travel.
Okay, and I also noticed that we have a very tall tool behind us. Is this a concept also?
It is. We do offer XL or extended length tool holders to start with. But what we're trying to show is that, well, the sky's the limit when it comes to stacking up tools and getting to that reach that you need to have. Now, the tool on display back here is actually 33 inches in length. It's very, very long, 840 millimeters, and it's made to draw attention to the fact that you can get powRgrip with a very, very long reach on it.
And at this size, how is the precision that it offers us?
The precision, really, when you get to this length, it isn't the precision that you're worried about, it's just getting to the bottom of the part. Because when you talk about 33 inches, whatever your spindle is, you're multiplying that all the way out. So even if we have a 3 micron TIR on our powRgrip system, at 33 inches, it's that plus your spindle plus the length. This is all about reach.
Yeah, to get to the bottom.
Get to the bottom, put that hole in, do that finishing work. So, we talk about long tool holders, consider REGO-FIX and our XL program.
Thank you, David, and it's so good to see that you're developing more new products for all the people who need go bigger, right?
Absolutely.
Thank you.